Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can solve the problem, because of which the Instagram application does not open on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's have us with you. Let's get down to this topic. And let's say that if the Instagram app on your iPhone is not opening and it's freezing, then I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. To do this, go to your phone settings and then scroll down a little bit and select General. Next, select iPhone memory. Wait for everything to load. Find Instagram and navigate to it. And here you'll need to click on this button right here, which is called Unload App. Click on it. And after that, by such actions, you can say, delete the app from your phone. This will help to clear all the data, clear all the cache that you have and any files that have been corrupted on your iPhone. After you unload the Instagram app, click also here on the button that will be called Reinstall the app. And after you reinstall the app, you can go to Instagram. You don't have to worry while unloading and reinstalling the app. Your data will not be deleted, so you'll be logged back into your account, where all your data, all your correspondence, posts, etc. will be saved. This is the way, friends, you can solve the problem due to which Instagram apps are not opening on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Write your comments and make sure to put your likes. See you soon.